Hey guys, this is Cory with Custom RV in Amarillo, Texas, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take a look at the very popular and extremely unique 2022 Alpha Wolf 26RK from Forest River RV. This particular trailer is going to come in at 6,420 pounds as we see it here equipped today, and is going to be 32 feet 9 inches in overall length. We're going to do an interior and exterior walk-around video tour and talk about all of the great features on this rear kitchen couples travel trailer. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on to the inside. All right, guys, so on the inside of this 26RK from Alpha Wolf, and one of the things that I want to start off with is this slide out over here. Now, you've got a freestanding table and chairs, and this being a true couples trailer really is nice for that. Now, let me know down in the comment section, do you prefer a freestanding table like this, or would you rather have a booth dinette? I can see it 50-50 in a couples trailer like this. Now, you've got your entertainment center over here. That's going to have a place for a TV. TVs are optional. We did not bring this particular one in with the TV. I would personally put a swing arm mount on that, just so that you can easily get to the storage behind there that we'll see in just a minute. You're also going to have a AM, FM, and Bluetooth radio system and a 5200 BTU electric space heating fireplace. Now, if we take a seat over here, this is what you'll be looking at from the theater seats, which I will show you here in just a minute. This is from the left-hand theater seat. Now, if we move over here and I kind of lean over this way, this is from the right-hand theater seat. So you can see you have a very good shot at the entertainment system. Now, there is a little bit of carpet in this slide out. People either love it or hate it. It's kind of one of those things you kind of have to do that unless you re-engineer the whole slide out mechanism. But I'm sure they will do that at some point. Now, over here is what I like to call the boot bench. It's a place where you can sit down, put on your boots and pants, and just a place to sit down, do whatever. You've got good shoe storage underneath there. Now, if you look up top, one of the things that Alpha Wolf does is you've got your 15,000 BTU Coleman AC standard. You've also got all the blue LED accent lights. People either love them or hate them. I think they're neat. That's why I turn them on. But again, let me know what you think about that in the comment section down below. Your feedback always gets to the manufacturers. Now over here, here's your theater seats. These are a heat massage, and they have the cool blue lighting in the theater seats, which is really nice. Those are full wall hugger recliners, and they're freestanding, so you can kind of pull them forward if you want to be able to recline more. Now, one of the things that's really nice about a rear kitchen is you have all of these awesome campside windows. It really opens it up, and it makes it feel like you have dual opposing slide outs when in fact you only have one. Now, one of the things you won't see in an Alpha Wolf is in-floor ducted heating. Those are going to be run through the cabinets, which is very nice, and that's one thing that I really do like. Now, if we take a minute here to look at the rear kitchen, because the kitchen's kind of the star of the show, so to speak, you've got a nice big pantry, multiple shelves in there, so for all of your dry goods. You're going to have your 10.7 cubic foot 12 volt compressor fridge next to there. You can run it going down the road. And the other nice thing is it cools in about an hour and a half, which is very nice. Now, as we continue up top, you're going to have great cabinetry space. You've got your hood range vent and your microwave there. You're also going to have more good cabinetry space over here. This all has pressed membrane thermofoil style countertops. And you can see you've got the stainless skirted farm style sink with the high-rise sprayer faucet and the hand sanitizer station. Now, if we take a knee here And look up there, you've got your electrical outlet up there. 3 full extension plywood box, ball bearing drawer guided drawers. The top one has the silverware divider. And then underneath, you're going to have a small little cabinet for wastebasket. I would personally take that out myself. That way you can fit a little bigger one in there. You're going to have the 3-burner cooktop with the glass cover and the oven down below with the blue knobs. Removable backsplash / cutting board. More great coffee maker countertop space. Good storage underneath there. And you are going to have another outlet on this side of the refrigerator as well. So great kitchen space. Now, lastly, before we jump up to the bedroom and bathroom, you're going to have great storage up there. And if we take a look at this clip, you can see the storage above the boot bench right there. And you'll also see a better look at the storage in the entertainment center. Now, one of the neat things that you'll see on the outside is there is a extra storage compartment from the outside behind the fireplace, which is very nice. So, all right, guys, that is going to wrap it up for the living and kitchen area. Let's go ahead now, and we will jump forward and take a look at the master bathroom and bedroom. So before we step into the bathroom, I did want to talk about our control panel here. So starting up at the top left, you're going to have your electric water heater switch, your prep for your one control hotspot, your juice pack solar panel monitor. This is for your voltage. You got your thermostat here, so you can see it's 73 in here, which is just about perfect. Let me know what you think is this is a side tangent. What is the perfect temperature? Everybody always says it's 72. Is it? I don't know. Anyway, I digress. And then right here, you've got your slide out awning controls, lighting controls, water pump, water heater, tank monitoring panel. The cool thing about this, you can Bluetooth this to your phone and control all of that, including the rear observation camera that comes standard with these. It's pretty cool. Now in the bathroom, you've got a very nice neo-angle shower. You can be upwards of 6'3", 6'4", and still shower in here comfortably. That is a very nice placement on that skylight. And this is the bigger radius shower too, which is always nice. You're going to have a porcelain foot flush lever toilet. Large, fantastic vent fan up here. And then, before we take a look at the storage, you are going to have more of that pressed membrane countertops, a motion sensor light, GFI protected outlet, and a huge sink too, which is nice. You've also got a pocket door to separate off the bedroom from the bathroom, so it's a dual entry bedroom and bathroom for that matter. And if we take a look here, you can see you've got excellent linen space for a travel trailer. So great storage space there. Plus you've got the open cubby down there, medicine cabinet, and that is angled too, which is nice. And then you've got great storage underneath the sink as well. Now as we go up into the bedroom, you're going to have a 60 by 74 inch camper queen bed. You've got household and USB outlets on both sides, windows on both sides. Now this one over here opens, but the one over here does not. You are going to have pleated privacy shades. And I actually forgot to talk about the zebra shades in the living room, but oh well, we'll roll with it. If you've watched enough Alpha Wolf videos, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And then up here, you can add the second AC. So this is a 50 amp service unit, meaning you're prepped and ready for the second air conditioner. It would go basically where this junction box is right here. You're also going to have a backer right here for a TV. What I would do is put that on a swing arm mount so you can see that easier. Now, if we take a look at the video that will pop up, you can see you've got great storage on both sides of the bed as far as for wardrobe space. You've got flip-up cabinets on top of the bed. I do wish those had the struts in them. And you've got an excellent storage trunk underneath the bed. So overall, very good storage in this bedroom, especially for a travel trailer. So with that being said, let's go ahead now and we will close up the slide out and take a look at it in road mode. So travel mode is kind of tricky. Now, you can get into the theater seats, the dinette. You can squeeze past here to get to the kitchen area, but you're not getting to that pantry, and that's about as far as you'll be able to open the freezer, and a little bit better on the refrigerator. The one thing about rear kitchens is they are best used at a destination. However, if you are traveling and you need to make a quick pit stop and, use the restroom or, sleep at night, you can get in here, get to the bathroom, and you can get to the bedroom. So again, this one is best used at a destination, but it does have some good road travel stop qualities. Let's go ahead now, jump onto the outside, finish up this review with the outside features. All right, guys, so we're on the outside of this 26RK from Alpha Wolf. So starting up front, you've got your 3/4 fiberglass front cap, powered tongue jack. You are going to have some of the docking lights up there too. Two 20-pound propane tanks. You're also going to have your Group 27 series battery that comes with the solar package that we equip these with. You're going to have 4 corner stabilizer jacks. Those are going to be manual. You've also got the leash latch to tie up your fur babies. Nice big finished off pass-through storage. You're going to have dual motion sensor lights. There's your solar charge controller, and then you've got your battery disconnect to kill all 12-volt power to the trailer. These are going to have slam latches, magnetic holdbacks. And speaking of the solar package, this one has the juice pack and the juice pack expansion kit. So you have 150 watts of solar power up on the roof. These are going to have the Max Tint safety glass windows, which is a new feature for this year. And you can see that you've got the this has the new gel coat. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. Anyways, I digress. So these are going to have 2-inch thick sidewalls, which is like a big Montana fifth wheel. You've got a power awning that is going to have LED light strips in it as well. And if we look underneath here, this is going to have an enclosed and forced air heated underbelly. So that's going to give you great extended season and 4-season campability. You're going to have the ultra popular black glass entry door, large entry assist handle, and you've got the triple step MORryde step above steps. Those have the adjustable feet and fold up inside of the door for transit. You've got a tandem axle unit for these. These have the black aluminum wheels. And then you've got an outside kitchen with outside beer fridge or soda fridge, if you're not into the alcoholic variety of drinks. Portable ice maker, 2-burner cooktop, and then you've got a handy sink here. This will be your cold water spray port for that sink. There's a propane quick connect down underneath there as well for anything else you need to hook up to the trailer to run off the propane. Right here is going to be your furnace exhaust, your 6-gallon gas and electric water heater with direct spark ignition, outside TV bracket with the cable and power, dual outside speakers, and those are backlit too, by the way. You've got a rear cargo rack that's rated at 250 pounds, including the spare tire. These are prepped for a rear ladder to get up onto the one-piece, fully walkable roof. You've also got a rear observation camera up there as well. And that Bluetooth directly to your phone. Now over here is going to be your 50-amp service. You're going to have your rear gray tank dump, so that's just for the kitchen. Rear stabilizer jacks. You've got a nice powered slide out with the prep for the Solaris slide awning toppers. You're also going to have a very nice extra storage compartment here. I would put your power cord and freshwater hose here just so that it takes up less space in the camper. Now these are going to have these slam latches and magnetic holdbacks as well. And then right here you're going to have all of the rest of your hookups. So one of the neat things, you've got your Black & Crate tank dumps for the bathroom. The neat thing about these is the gate valves are hidden up in the heated underbelly, so they're not as likely to freeze. You're also going to have your outside shower, freshwater, city water, black tank flush, cable and satellite hookups, and an easy convenience light. That way you can see what you're doing out here. Lastly, you're going to have the other side of your pass-through storage. So, all right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the 2022 Alpha Wolf by Forest River, model 26RK. If you're interested in this rear kitchen travel trailer and you have any questions, or if you'd like pricing and availability, I'll put a link to our website where you can check that at any time. You can also leave any questions or feedback down in the comment section below, or you can give us a call at 806-335-2336, or you can email us at contact@custom-rv.com. Remember, guys, at Custom RV, we know that RVs are made for women, so men can go camping. And at Custom RV, every RV sold comes with free prep. So checking out every appliance on here, filled propane tanks, battery, and a RV starter kit that has all of your connections. Plus, we don't charge any extra if you're going to finance at your local bank or write a check for the darn thing. That just blows my mind that some dealers do that. Anyways, I digress. If you could do me a favor before you leave, hit that like button down below if you enjoyed this video. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to hit that subscribe and notification bell with that'll keep you up to date on all of our new videos. All right, guys, we thank you again for watching. We hope that you enjoyed. We hope to see you out on our lot very soon. And let's get out there and do some camping.